I want to talk about something that is within our reach but often seems distant: success. Success is a journey, not a destination. It's a series of steps, small victories, and great achievements. Often, we only see the shine of the final results and forget the struggles, the sacrifices, and the countless times we had to get up after a fall. The path to success is not linear, it's full of curves, ups, and downs. Imagine yourself at the top of a mountain. The view is breathtaking, the air is pure, and you feel an indescribable sense of accomplishment. But before you get there, you had to face steep trails, rocks in your path, and maybe even moments of doubt. However, every step you took, even the hardest ones, was essential to reach the top. Life is like this. Thomas Edison once said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Edison understood that every attempt, every failure, was a step towards success. He knew that true failure only occurs when we give up. And you, what are you willing to face to achieve your dreams? Success is not determined by circumstances but by attitude. Your mindset is the key. A positive, resilient, and determined mindset can transform obstacles into opportunities. When you encounter a challenge, don't ask, "Why is this happening to me?" Instead, ask, "What can I learn from this, and how can I grow from this experience?" Mahatma Gandhi said, "Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will." When you have a clear vision of what you want to achieve and the determination to move forward, nothing can stop you. Believe in yourself, even when no one else does. Have the courage to be the first to believe in your dreams. And remember, success is not a race. It's a marathon. It requires patience, persistence, and a lot of practice. Great achievements don't happen overnight. They are the result of hours, days, and even years of hard work. And every effort is worth it because the taste of victory is indescribable. But don't forget to celebrate every small victory along the way. Every step forward, every obstacle overcome, is a reason to celebrate. Enjoy the process because it's where you truly grow. Success is not just about reaching your goals but about the person you become along the journey. In conclusion, I want you to remember 3 things. Believe in yourself. Your belief in yourself is the fuel that will take you far. Persist. No matter what, every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. Appreciate the journey, because it's where you find the true meaning of success. Success is not something that happens to you, it's something that happens because of you. It's the product of your thoughts, your decisions, and your actions. It's about setting goals that excite you and working tirelessly towards them, even when the road gets tough. Surround yourself with positive influences. People who uplift you, who believe in your dreams as much as you do. They say you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. Let go of the naysayers and the doubters. Seek out mentors who inspire you, who have walked the path you aspire to take. Develop a routine that aligns with your goals. Successful people are often those who have mastered the art of daily habits. Whether it's waking up early, dedicating time to learning, or maintaining a healthy lifestyle, your daily actions compound over time and lead to extraordinary results. Embrace change and be adaptable. The world is constantly evolving, and so should you. Be open to new ideas, new strategies, and new ways of thinking. Flexibility in your approach will help you navigate the unexpected twists and turns of your journey. Finally, never underestimate the power of gratitude. Appreciate the people, the opportunities, and even the challenges that come your way. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant, from setbacks to possibilities. It's a powerful catalyst for positive change and enduring success. Leave here today with a new determination, with the certainty that you can and will achieve your dreams. Success is within your reach. Just take the next step,